Let it play out.
Sometimes prop firms want you to explain how you got to your profit, and this is a quick review of one of my trades to document what my thoughts were on it, right? So we're currently floating in a little bit of profit. Trade was taken on the 4 hour. It might even just turn back. So it's the US 100. We're currently on an uptrend, right? So what I was thinking was we closed with a very strong bullish candle right here. We already mitigated this order block, and then we have a small liquid sweep right here. So I was thinking it would be enough to push us to the upside there, but it can turn back too. So we'll have to see how we're gonna do the risk management properly. Up here is gonna be our 1:1. So I'm thinking maybe I should perhaps break it even or just move our stop halfway there, and if it comes back then we risk only at least a half of it. So right now, even if we move our stop to there, that's gonna mean that we're already at 1:1 based on this stop, right? So I can move my stop here or break even and wait for the market to come to our 1:1. So if the market comes to our 1:1, that means it's gonna be a win of 1:2, to understand, because going up all the way here is gonna be a bigger ask somehow. So I'll just take a second and contemplate about that. Think if I bring the stop here, yeah, perhaps then we have a little less at risk, because we're already risking $19. So if we put it there, we are like now just risking $44, and we are up like $42. So it's like a 1:1. What I can do is take partials here, but I think I'll do that off camera just to be sure of what I'm doing, Right, stay tuned. So this is basically an update on the Us100 trade. Take a look. We took this trade on Friday, the 29th of May. So I regret to tell you this, but I broke even when the market was here. I think I went out too early because it smashed TP and went all the way up, right? But do not be worried. I took another trade. It was here on the GBP CAD, and we smashed TP on this one. Basically the same trade. You can say it's the same trade. Also having this origin of this order block. Nice push to the upside. Just jumped in and took a 1:1 trade there. So I'm actually sorry to update you so late on this account. It's a 10k equity edge account that I've been trading lately. It's been a rough up and down, so I wasn't really sure I wanted to update any of this trading happening here because I've been changing strategies so much. But at the end of the day, we're currently up like at least 260. But on equity edge, the thing is you can't risk more than 1% of your initial account. Like I have a $10,000 USD account, but I can only risk $100 on any given trade. On open positions, if it goes more than $100, I lose. And I'm trading on Match Trader. So yeah, if you would like to try it out, check out the link in the description. So we hit 1:1 TP right here, and yeah, there are also some other ideas I had, but it's also quite long term, understand? So I don't think I have the patience to wait all these days for this thing to play out and then decide to just turn back on me, especially when you're only able to risk like $100. So I'll keep you updated to how far our account goes, but this was a good week. We trade 1:1, so that means we have to have more winners than losers. I might change my 1:1 understanding if I get the hang of what I'm doing. Then I will like let it run, because as you can see, we could have perhaps hit like a what here, at least a 1:2 or something, if we kept this one running. Yeah, we could have hit like at least a 1:2, but not all of them work out like this. This is why I chose to just minimize my profit target and try to also just gain back my confidence, you know. The more wins I have, the more confident I will be regarding this account. So I'll keep you updated. Follow the journey. Perhaps we will get a payout if we follow the proper rules and they agree that no, this was a good session, you know. Check out the link in the description. Holla back.